Hey everyone, welcome back to Expert Embedded Solutions. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's essential for gardening, farming, and even for hobbyists, the soil moisture sensor. If you've ever wondered how to keep your plants healthy and hydrated without overwatering, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is a soil moisture sensor? A soil moisture sensor is a device that measures the volumetric water content in soil. It's an essential tool for monitoring and maintaining the optimal moisture levels for plants, helping to ensure they get the right amount of water. These sensors are designed to be inserted into the soil, where they detect the moisture level and provide a corresponding output signal. They are commonly used in both small-scale gardens and large agricultural fields. How does a soil moisture sensor work? Most soil moisture sensors consist of two main components, the probe and the sensor module. The probe is inserted into the soil and measures the resistance or dielectric constant of the soil. When the soil is wet, it conducts electricity better, resulting in lower resistance. Conversely, dry soil has higher resistance. The sensor module converts these resistance values into readable data. Specifications of a soil moisture sensor. Here are some key specs you need to know. Operating voltage, typically 3.3 volts to 5 volts. Output, type analog voltage output or digital signal. Probe length, usually around 3 to 6 inches. Detection range, measures soil moisture from 0% to 100%. A soil moisture sensor typically has 3 pins, VCC, GND, and out. The VCC and GND pins are used to power the sensor, while the out pin provides either an analog voltage proportional to the soil moisture or a digital signal indicating whether the soil moisture is above or below a certain threshold. Applications of soil moisture sensors. Soil moisture sensors are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of applications. Thanks to their accuracy and ease of use, soil moisture sensors are widely used in home gardening to ensure plants are properly watered, in large-scale agriculture for optimizing irrigation schedules, in automated irrigation systems to save water, and in greenhouse management for maintaining optimal growing conditions. Conclusion. In summary, soil moisture sensors are a powerful, affordable, and essential tool for anyone looking to monitor and maintain optimal soil moisture levels. Whether you're a hobbyist gardener or a professional farmer, these sensors can help you ensure your plants thrive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Expert Embedded Solutions for more tips and tutorials on smart gardening and technology. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy gardening, everyone!